Alright, so I'm in a random game and I just want to, make it snow so that I can record a video or, I don't know, do something else. However, there's no option for it in the game itself, and I mean, it's completely sunny. It looks like it's summer. So what do I do? Well, I can press a button on my keyboard, and as you can see, now it looks like it's the middle of winter. How did I do that exactly? Actually, before I tell you, I need to change my outfit real quick. Ho, ho, ho. So yeah, this is a bit more fitting. So you want to get snow in Roblox. So I'm gonna explain that to you right now. By the way, the game that I was just playing is named Sakura Hangout. It's a game that I actually made, so yeah, check it out. So first off, look up Roshade.com online and you'll see this over here. So click that. When you've opened the website, you'll most likely see something similar to this where you have like different packs to install. But in order to actually get snow working in Roblox, we need to get the base pack. So yeah, just press download underneath the base pack. When you've done that, you'll most likely see something similar to this on your screen. All you gotta do is press the skip button on the top right corner of your screen. And now, as you can see, it just started downloading the files we need. So all you gotta do is open it up and they have Roshade set up. So click that, click next, then press I agree. You can select a key to open up the menu or to like enable the shaders. So I'm gonna select home and end. Then this is very important because make sure over here you've selected the snow preset. Otherwise it won't work. So press install. Basically what this does is it installs shaders for Roblox. It's completely safe. I haven't heard of anyone getting banned for it so far. And I've personally been using it for like over a year now. So yeah, install it at your own risk. But as far as I know, it's completely safe. I have a whole video on my YouTube channel where you can see how to install shaders and like what you can actually do with it. So be sure to check that out if you want to know more. As you can see, it just completed the setup. All we have to do now is press finish and then we can go back in game. So once you've joined the game, it might lag for a bit and the game might actually look completely different, but that's fine. So the first thing we got to do is press End or F8 on our keyboard, depending on what you actually chose during the installation. And as you can see, this gets rid of the effects, which actually reduces our lag for a bit, which is what we want. For the next step, you have to press F7 or home on your keyboard, depending on what you chose during the installation once again. And as you can see, this menu suddenly pops up on our screen. Now we can go up to this blue bar up here where it will most likely say Roshade Medium and then select snow.ini. This list will probably look very different for you, but that's okay as long as you can see the snow preset. So click on the snow preset and you'll see no difference at all, and that's because our effects are still disabled. So I'm gonna press end on my keyboard to enable them again. And now everything should look like it's snowing. If you want to disable the gray sky, then that's very easy as well. All you gotta do is open the menu again and then disable adaptive fog. Be aware that it's not actually very smart. So as you can see, there's actually snow indoors. That obviously doesn't happen in real life, but still there's a lot of things you can do with it. Personally, I really like the effect. So that was pretty much it. I hope it helped, and yeah, have fun using the effect.